Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm back with part 2 of this gorgeous journal from Miss Jacqueline Haley, Hands of the Queen, here on YouTube. So we're gonna start with this page. Here she has another photo with some black and black gam with red ribbon going through it, and then she has the suede again. Then she has the floral um, trim here, the rose floral rose rose trim, and then she's got some pink trim along the side here. And here she has another picture. Some beautiful pictures I'm finding. A red flower with some bling in the middle, a bling flower in the middle. Then she has some sequin trim going all the way around. And at the bottom, she has some blue mesh fabric. This is pretty. I like the trim. I like the trim. Next page. Here's the pink trim here. And then she's got red, lime green to frame the photo. And then here's a beautiful flower of many colors. It's white, red, navy blue, and lime green. All on a black background. Okay. Now, here is some lime green trim going up here. And then you have some Chinese trim with that's framing this photo. You have a seashell here and some gems. This is cool. I need to find some more like that. I had some. And here's another page with a headdress, Native American headdress. This is pretty. Here's another page with, again, she used some eyelet ribbon to frame the picture. She put a piece of the rose trim here with a pink rose, and this is like a mesh rose kind of, and you get some of a little dark and baby blue trim down at the bottom. And here's another picture she has framed with, I think this is a doily or some kind of lace fabric. Oh no, this is crocheted. Okay. This is all crocheted to frame the photo here. It's crocheted yarn. It's actually yarn, okay? Then here she's got like a little thing to make it look like a button, which is kind of cool. I never seen that used. Here's a what we call a hatchet, aka an axe. And here we go again. We have orange, shiny orange trim here. And then we have lime green and red lace to frame the photo. Here's another one of her little, what they call it, I forgot. I call it a button, okay? Or a little, sort of like a cameo. And then she's got the, whoops, I'm messing it up. The suede French here, and the same with the black and red up here. And then here, she has some lace on the back of that page. And we're going gonna go here. Oh, I like this frame. Woohoo! She used some dangle trim to frame this photo along with some sequin and mesh trim with little ziggy zaggies. And then there's a feather here. She has everything on a black background with some little gems. Cute, cute, cute. I like this idea. And places to journal, and this is the end. Which again, I can remove the notebook here and put the cover on something else because she has it with lace fabric, blue trim, blue and white with green trim here. Okay. Oh, and I didn't notice she has what year she made it down below, 2018. And on the back we have some more, another crocheted item with the suede trim and the eyelet trim and the lace fabric. I like this. I also like this flower here, which also covers the second part of the tie that is also nice and neatly braided. Guys, this is a gorgeous and very thoughtful and very generous item that she's given me, and all the handcrafted work she put through this. I love it. I leave it on display in my craft room so I can look at it for inspiration. And I mean, she does very gorgeous work. I mean, you can check out her channel on YouTube. Her name is Jacqueline Haley, Hand of the Queen. And go over and check out her channel. If y'all hear that, it's thundering here right now. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And I will try to link her spit it out, Vanessa. Her channel down below in the description box. Okay. Please be careful. Be safe. Be loving. Be caring. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to get notified when I put up more videos. Okay? Bye bye for now, angels. Crafty angels. See y'all in the next video.